Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cycling has been growing in popularity during the pandemic, and e-bikes that can give you a boost up hills or on long rides are selling out in many stores. Brompton, a company that's innovated for years with foldable bikes, handmade in London, has seen their standard and e-bike lines flying out the door. They're designed to be easy to take anywhere and can even be used as a small cart while shopping. Brompton USA Marketing VP Peter Yuskaukas.
If you're worried about locking it up outside, if you're worried about will it be able to fit in my apartment or in my office, those are all things that will discourage you from riding even the nicest bike around.
With their construction and innovation, the bikes are more of an investment than many others on the market. Find more at us.brompton.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.